What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Hyundai Azera remote key fob. This Hyundai Azera key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab the key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we take our key fob and we look at the bottom of it, we see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver. And you want to use a screwdriver that has a fairly wide blade on it. This one could even be a little bigger. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and just put it in that notch like that. And once I have that on there and I'm pushing in as far as it will go, I'm going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it pops the case apart. Go ahead and pull the case the rest of the way apart like that. And in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. And there's this part right here. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a little symbol of a screwdriver and it says exchange battery. You can come over to this side and get your screwdriver under the edge of that battery and pop it out of that holder. Now I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first, this side that's by this metal clip. So tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Now we can snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.